Hi, today is our last day, day 7 of the Love Yourself Challenge. You did it, you made it. Congratulations. You prioritized yourself. I am so excited. I am so happy that you did this. It's just such a really good thing that you did for yourself, that you said, yes, I'm worth it. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I deserve it. You just kept saying the loving yes to yourself, and you should be ecstatic. So today, I'm going to get you in the framework of your activity of what you need to do for yourself. And it may not be something that you can do today because I really want you to plan it. I really want you to enjoy it and make it really loving and juicy and wonderful, just like you. So here's the thing, today is a day of celebrating you. So you can do something small today that's kind of fun in a way that celebrates you. But what I really would love for you to do is to spend half a day, whole day, plan something out that totally celebrates you. For example, in the past, what I would do for myself when I was doing a day of celebrating, honoring, loving myself is I would take myself out on a date. And I know that feels weird for some people, but I would just go out and take me out and I would plan something that I absolutely love to do. Like I shared earlier with you guys, I love walking and I love spending that nurturing time. So sometimes what I would do is find a wonderful, cool place to go take this walk where there's a lot of nature and do that for myself. And then take myself out to my favorite lunch place. Here's the thing, you cannot feel guilty after you do it. So if you are going to indulge in some really good food that just makes you wanna, what they say, smack your mama, you're not allowed to feel guilty afterwards. It is one of those nurturing your soul. You know, when we take good food in and then we feel guilty later, it messes with your digestion because you told your body, yes, the food was good, but it's bad. So your body is kind of like good, bad, good, bad. It's okay to indulge every now and then. It will not kill you. Now, if you do indulgence on a regular basis, we all know anything in excess is too much. So this is something special. So indulge. It doesn't have to be something fatty. It can be whatever you desire. You want to try something new, do that, but plan it out from everything from the clothes that you wear. Maybe you buy yourself a new outfit. Maybe you make yourself a new outfit, whatever, or new pieces of underclothes, whatever that feels right for you, whatever that is, do it. But from head to toe, I want you to celebrate you. Remember, we talked about all the five senses. So make sure that during that celebration, all the five senses are covered. Make sure you are gifting yourself this wonderful experience. Make sure you are speaking words of love to yourself and you are creating this quality time. You are giving yourself all of these things. And it is an act of service because you are blocking out time to make yourself feel good, to replenish yourself. Maybe it's a day at the spa. Who knows? Half a day at the spa. Who knows? But I want you to do this for you. And the reason why I'm saying to do this alone is because if you invited your partner, your spouse, your girlfriends, you would have to make compromises because you would have to take into account what they like to eat, their time frame, how they move, when they're ready to go, when they're ready to leave, all of that. And this is just about you, not anybody else. That's why they cannot go with you. That's why this is a day for you because you're going to eat when you want to eat. You're going to eat what you want to eat. You're going to dress how you want to dress. You're going to do the activities you want to do in the time that feels right for you. All about you. No compromising, no negotiating with anyone else. That's why it's a self date. That's why it's a full celebration of you. And you get to choose, like I said, whether it's a half a day, a whole day, whether it's a weekend, whatever you need to love and nurture you and celebrate all of you, all of who you are. all of your wonderfulness, your magnificentness. I've already got my party shirt on because I'm ready. I'm ready for you guys to celebrate, to party, to move, and whatever feels right for you. And the party doesn't literally mean what we say as a party. And it could be that. Totally up to you. You can create a party if you want. Remember, it's what loves on you, what nurtures you, what feels right for you. And I want to thank you guys so much for being a part of this challenge, for saying yes to yourself, for taking the time to love on you and make yourself a priority because you truly deserve it. You really do. And let this not be a one-time thing. You're besides the homework assignment of celebrating you, I want you to journal about how can I incorporate these 5 love languages into my life on a regular basis. So I am regularly loving me and I'm not taking me for granted. Because remember, in any relationship where you take somebody for granted, that relationship is not going to be healthy and is not going to go well at all. It's going to be one of those draining relationships. And you don't want to be that to yourself. You don't want to be not caring, not loving, and being the drain and not telling yourself that you're important because you are. You are the most important person in your life because all the people around you that love you cannot get that goodness from you if your cup isn't full. So if you love giving to other people, first you have to give to yourself so you can be the best version of you to give to everybody else. And even if you're not wanting to give to everyone else, you deserve just to be good to you because you deserve it. Period. Period. So love on you. Really, really make yourself a priority and journal. How can you add this in to your life? And drop below the comments how this challenge helped you, how it might have changed your perspective, how you found a new way to love on yourself. And definitely subscribe to the channel if you want more self-love, more of this sacred journey and how we do this together. Definitely hit that notification button, share this with someone else, give them the gift of self-love for real. And I hope to see you, beautiful, phenomenal women, real soon.